Hey, welcome back to another day in crypto. My name is Shahbaz and I will bring you daily crypto updates and tech news. Today is an amazing day because Bitcoin has reached an all-time high in 2023. Let me show you here in the banter bubbles. You can see overall crypto market is in green. Almost all currencies are in green. Unfortunately, today FTT is down. Uh, People have started realizing that there are a lot of other opportunities out there. So let me open the Bitcoin chart, and as you can see, it is currently now crossed 43,500. These are their live price action. uh, what's amazing thing about the price action here is that people are predicting that this price momentum is gonna go until it reaches 48,000. If I open the chart, you can see here the price have been going from 41,000. It's steadily going up to 43,000 to what it is now. I do hold some crypto in my portfolio. I have around 0.02 change Bitcoin, which is a small amount. But anyway, it's great to see, great to ride this wave, not just watching on TV, watching on YouTube. Whenever there is a blood on the streets, you have to invest in stock. That's what Oracle of Omaha says. So the price action you have to note down is that 70 percentage of the Bitcoin is not moved since 1 year or more than 1 year. So people are holding on to their Bitcoin. They are not selling to the Wall Street companies. We have seen a lot of companies trying to get their hold on Bitcoin. We also recently saw gold hitting all-time high of this is in Indian rupees, because that's where I am in. The price of gold has touched 64,260, which is the highest ever. So the difference between gold and Bitcoin is that whenever there is a huge demand for a gold, the gold mining companies, what they do is they mine more gold because gold is abundant in nature. But when you compare that with Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin is actually deflationary or finite in nature. That is, there are only 21 million Bitcoins out there, and people are holding on to their Bitcoin. Only 30% is in supply. Only people that are selling the Bitcoin is the miners to compensate their energy consumption and other expenses. And towards April, we have an event coming up, which is the halving event, where miners rewards cut in half and becomes half. So by the time 6 months have passed, there won't be much Bitcoin out there in supply. And people are predicting that by January first week, we are going to see a lot of Bitcoin Spot ETF being approved. So here you can see, this is the latest news saying BlackRock received 100k seed funding for Spot Bitcoin ETF. So seed funding is actually used to acquire Bitcoin so that they can get their ETF product in place, so they can start trading in the Nasdaq. So this is the latest filing reveal that people have already started delivering or buying shares for their Bitcoin ETF. People are also seeing the news that BlackRock and Bitwise file updated applications for spot Bitcoin ETF. In the news earlier, we have also seen that SEC have started asking a lot of questions, reaching out to the companies, what they are seeing across different companies that have applied for the Bitcoin Spot ETF. Here is a small clip from this is just 3 hours ago, and here they are talking about Bitcoin being 41,000 or 42,000, and within a matter of 2-3 hours, the price have gone up again. Let's have a look.
Let's start Bitcoin specifically. $42,000. What do you ascribe the move to? Yeah, Bitcoin is a free market asset. And I think one of the things people forget in finance is that markets are forward looking. And so what we're seeing here is people are allocating to an asset that they believe is going to go up in the future, obviously. Things that will drive that are the Bitcoin ETF. But as people are allocating to this, 70% of the circulating supply of Bitcoin has not moved in a year. The reason why that's important is this is an $800 billion asset that has gone up 150% over the last 12 months. So when an
So this is exactly what we have just discussed, that the 70% of the Bitcoin has not moved. One of the reason why I have not moved my Bitcoin is that I bought it from an exchange and I moved it to my trust wallet. For the transaction, it cost me around 2,500 at that time, which was a huge amount that I paid. So if I am going to transact back to my wallet in order to cash it and make it real money, then I have to pay another 2,500. But that still is okay because I bought it around 17k and it is sitting on a lot of profit. So yeah, so people are hesitant.
an asset goes up 150%, you would expect people to sell into the strength, kind of take profits. That's not happening. And so Bitcoiners are not selling that Bitcoin. They're not going to sell it to Wall Street. And so Wall Street's going to have to continue to bid up the price. That share is.
So this is what happening. People are not willing to sell their Bitcoin. Christmas is happening. We all remember what happened during 2020, the pandemic, and there was a Christmas season, and everyone at home discussing Bitcoin, and the prices go up to 69,000. So similar thing could happen this year also. So recently, I just got a notification on my phone saying that ETH have crossed 23,000. So let me just search for ETH. You can see here ETH has gone up. The price chart, let me see, which is around 2,301. So it crossed the 2,300 mark. You can see the price have been going like crazy since the last few hours, because again companies like BlackRock have already applied for a ETH for an ETH spot ETF. So a lot of positive things happening in the crypto space. Most people, whenever they hear crypto, they just call it a scam or a rat poison because they don't know the utility behind it. Companies like BlackRock have already spoken about tokenization of real value assets. Uh, right now, the stock market, if you take the example of stock market, we know that it starts from 9 and stops at 3:30 or 4, uh, only from Monday to Friday. But what is going to happen is tokenization of assets, and it is going to go global. People are going to invest in assets throughout around the world, and it is going to operate on a 24/7 basis. That's where the world is going. So be sure to be a part of it. I hope today's video was helpful, and I see you on the next one.